We're second attempt at a farmer's market, and it's not very busy today, but we actually did better today than we did the last time. Right, Amy?
Yes.
But it's a Tuesday.
But if we come here on a Saturday, we'll do really well.
Yeah, Saturday is pretty busy over here. We did have some lady come buy all the peppers that we had, so that was like $20 in peppers. That was really helpful. That put us over the top, so didn't have to throw them in the compost. I am what I am. Gig. I think this would be a fun job. Wait for it. Crop dusting. So we're sitting out here in the car waiting. This is how you gotta do checkups and stuff now at the hospital. They come out here. But we were out here waiting, and this gentleman walked up to talk to us at Tammy's window. She's in there now, but he started telling us about a lot of different things, and he said he was 99 years old, and he met his wife and got married 73 years ago, and she's 96 years old, not 76, 96 years old. He's 99, and he had a really good mind. Still drives himself. He came from a town 15 miles away. But he cut grass all of his life. I tried to ask him what his secret was to living so long and having such a great mind, because he said he could remember Herbert Hoover when he became president, Franklin D. Roosevelt, and he couldn't believe that all these people, a lot of people don't remember these presidents or haven't been around that long, but he was so sharp. He said the lady at the bank calls him numbers. I said, so what's the key to staying so healthy, being able to still drive at 100 years old, basically, and still remembering everything. And he knew his first teacher. He knew his first license plate of his car, like 406ZZ. I don't know. He knew them all, though. And it was really impressive to hear everything that he could remember. He said he bought his mower that he's using today. He mowed grass his whole life. He said, I was mowing grass for a guy who started selling Simplicity mowers, and he told me I had to buy a Simplicity. And I said, well, if I got to buy a Simplicity, I'm just going to quit to mow your yard. I'm just going to quit mowing your yard. And he said, the guy told me just go ahead and keep mowing my yard. I bought the mower I got today, 1973. It's got the third motor on it, but it's one of the best mowers I got. He says, he talked about how he used to go to Fort Wayne and get a suit, and everything was too big on him. And they said, well, you come back in 2 hours, we'll have it fit to, or made to fit. He said, I came back and everything fit perfect. All my sleeves were right, my legs were right. He was just telling me how everything used to work. And he said, when I got that suit, I asked him, why he worked so hard to get it done right. And the guy said, well, back when I was growing up, a penny meant something. People cared about what they had, and they didn't take things for granted. And they had to work hard, and that hard work is what kept them healthy.